Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Nissan remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. We do this by sliding over this little catch here, which releases it out of the bottom. Now what we need to do is we get a small screwdriver, and just at the bottom of the fob you can just see a little indentation here and here where you can just put the tip of the screwdriver in, give it a little twist which releases the two halves of the case. And there is your key fob battery. Again, just get your little screwdriver and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery, we put it back into the housing. On this particular fob, make sure the writing on the battery is facing down like so, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the two halves of the case, make sure everything is lined up, and we just click it back together. And now we just put the key fob blade back in. And there you go, it's all done.